What is the moral justification for capital punishment? What is the moral justification for capital punishment? This question stirs up strong feelings and opinions. To understand this complex issue, we can look at two main philosophical approaches: retributivism and consequentialism. Retributivism is the idea that punishment should match the crime. Supporters of this view argue that capital punishment is justified for the most serious offenses, like murder. They believe that if someone takes a life, the punishment should reflect that severity. Death is seen as a fitting response to such a grave act. On the other hand, we have consequentialism. This perspective focuses on the outcomes of capital punishment. Advocates argue that the death penalty can deter future crimes. If potential criminals know that they could face death for their actions, they may think twice before committing a violent crime. This argument suggests that if capital punishment can save lives by preventing future murders, it holds moral weight. Now, let's consider how different cultures view capital punishment. In some societies, it is seen as a necessary measure to maintain order and safety. For these cultures, the death penalty is a tool for protecting the community from dangerous individuals. In contrast, other cultures view capital punishment as morally wrong, believing that taking a life is never justified, regardless of the crime. This difference highlights the challenges of applying a single moral standard across diverse cultural backgrounds. The moral justification for capital punishment also ties into societal values and legal systems. In certain jurisdictions, it is viewed as a way to ensure justice for victims and their families. Here, the state takes on the role of enforcer, carrying out punishment deemed appropriate for the crime committed. Conversely, in places where human rights are prioritized, capital punishment is seen as a violation of fundamental rights. Ultimately, the debate around capital punishment raises important questions about justice, morality, and the role of the state in punishing its citizens. Each perspective offers a different lens through which to view this contentious issue. Understanding these views can help us navigate the complex moral landscape surrounding capital punishment.